Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav First Classes. Our contact number is, you can see that this is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. If you have any mathematical doubts, query or anything, so please feel free to contact us via these contact details. That means you can drop an email to our email ID or WhatsApp to this number. And email ID is our souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav classes, like you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI entrance and various entrance exams. So please feel free to contact us if you would need any help from us. Okay, so now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the ISI MTech QROR MCQ section, and the question is telling us that for any positive integer n, the value of summation j is equals to 0 to n sum minus 1 to the power j into 2n chooses 2j is, there are four options. Option A is telling us that option A is 0, option B is 2 to the power n sin n pi by 2, option C is 2 to the power n by 2 sin cos n pi by 2, and option D is 2 to the power n cos n pi by 2. Okay, so what can be done here? Let me remove all the rough works. Okay, so what can be done? So we are given to find the no, to following the sum to evaluate this. That means the summation j equals to 0 to n minus 1 to the power j 2n chooses 2j. Then this is a sum of ever binomial coefficients of 2 to the power of 2n chooses k. Okay, with alternating signs. So relate to binomial expansion. So consider the binomial expansion of 1 plus x to the power 2n. Okay. So now that is equals to summation k equals to 0 to 2n, that is 0. That is 2n choose k and x to the power k. Okay. So after that, so now to isolate the even powers, so we can use the fact that 1 plus I to the power 2n plus 1 minus I to the power 2n, that is equals to what? Then we are using the x equals to minus 1, which is equals to I, which is equals to I square, or I can then this thing happens. So that will be what? That will equals to 2 into j equals to 0 to n, 2n chooses 2j minus 1 to the power j. So this thing is my given expression. So now after that, so we have to think only about this thing. That means, let me change my color. So we have to only think about this, because that is equals to that given expression. Okay, so now we can write that our 1 plus I, that is equals to what? E to the power, sorry, root 2 into e to the power I pi by 4, and I 1 minus I will be, that is equals to root 2 into e to the power minus I pi by 4. Okay, so thus we can write that our 1 plus I to the power 2n, that is equals to root 2 to the power 2n, so that is 2 to the power n, and that is cos, sorry, no cos, so that is I e to the power I n pi by 2, and my I minus 1 minus I to the power 2n is equals to 2 to the power n, and that will be my e to the power minus n pi by 2. Okay, so now we are going to add these things. Getting added, we will get that will be 1 plus I to the power 2n plus 1 minus I to the power 2n, that is equals to 2 to the power n. That in that bracket we will have this n pi by 2, so that will be e to the power minus I n pi by 2. Okay, so that will be what? So again I am changing my color. So yeah, so that is equals to 2 to the power n, and that will be cos n pi by 2 plus I sin n, sorry, that is n pi by 2 plus that is cos n pi by 2, because we know that cos of minus n pi, that will be equals to cos n pi, because cos is an even function and our sine is odd function, so we will get this thing. So this and this will be cancelled out, so we will get only these things. That means that is equals to 2 to the power n into 2 cos n pi by 2. N pi by 2. Okay. So my given expression was what? That, okay, let it be. So that is equals to this. So our 1 plus I to the power 2n plus 1 minus I to the power 2n by 2, that is equals to 2 to the power n cos n pi by 2. Again, my this thing, that means 1 plus I to the power 2n plus 1 minus I to the power 2n by 2, that is equals to that given expression, that means summation j runs from 0 to n minus 1 to the power j, 2n chooses 2j. So I am writing it here. So that will be the correct answer of this. So that is equals to j equals to 0 to n minus 1 to the power j, and that will be 2n chooses 2j. So that is equals to 2 to the power n cos n pi by 2. Okay, so this is the correct answer of this question, which is 2 to the power n cos n pi by 2. So I think, yeah. So this is our option D. Okay. Yeah. So this is our correct answer of this question. So again, I'm telling that if you have any mathematical query, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact us via these contact details. So our team can arrange doubt clearing sessions. You can join our batches. So that will be beneficial for you, and you can also ask us any questions. Okay. So hope you understood, guys. Again, so please hope you understood, guys. Thank you, guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.